In the next 10 years, it's estimated that 1 in every 6 cars on the road in Maine may be electric. More and more businesses, workplaces, schools, and multi-unit dwellings are installing EV chargers.
We've only seen a trend to increase in the use of electric vehicles on campus by faculty, staff. The Bowdoin itself has a few EV vehicles, and more of the visitors we see coming to campus for tours, for sporting events, for musical events, for conferences are in EV vehicles. So we only see this being higher and higher demand on campus.
As electric vehicles became more popular and started to become a method of destination tourism, we felt it was important to be able to give our residents, visitors, and people doing business here in Bath the opportunity to be able to charge their vehicles here. You know, it seemed like it was essential as one of those stopping locations on a trip up Route 1.
We also see the charger as just another way of putting Rockland on the map for visitors and for people who might want to live here.
Part of our climate action plan is to, electrify the transportation system, to get people, into EVs, and also to promote, walking and biking. Getting people into EVs is going to be a real important part, and having a reliable charging system that people know will be there when they drive their vehicle is going to be important.
Bowdoin tracks our greenhouse gas emissions every year, and employee commute is definitely a part of that. And so anything that we can do to help our employees to green their commute is something that we're looking to do.
Providing an EV charger can help attract customers and visitors, add value to rental housing, and improve employee satisfaction. Find more information about installing public EV chargers at www.efficiencymaine.com.